In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where vertical panels slide open like shutters and reveal your video underneath. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels structured. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find vertical shutter, then apply it. Once applied, tall vertical panels slide apart, revealing the video in a smooth and organized way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the shutters open. Shorter duration makes the reveal sharp and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more cinematic feel. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the shutter motion matches your pacing. And that's it. You've successfully added a vertical shutter reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.